In PHP 8, there's a nice new way to determine the class of an instance. Let me show you. So you probably know that you can get the fully qualified namespace as a string like this. So my class. Let's execute it and I get my namespace, my class. But now let's instantiate the class. So let's put it in a variable a new instance, my class, like that. And in anything below PHP 8, this is how you could get the class name. Just call getClass and let's echo it out and execute it. And again, we get my namespace, my class. A small cool new feature in PHP 8 is that you can now do : class on a variable that holds an instance of a class as well. So if I run this, you again get the fully qualified class name. I don't know if you'll need this often, but it's a nice little touch that was added to PHP 8.